This week we will be working on chapter 3 in your textbook, which looks at numerical measures. And the way that we're going to do this is, first of all, we got to take care of a couple of housekeeping things. You need to install PHStat on your computer because you will be using some of the functions of PHStat when you run Excel. So you should at this point hopefully have a copy of the install code that came with your student access kit when you bought your book. If you don't have it, you'll do this as soon as you get your book. Anyway, so you will need to go to your website, whatever you're using. I'm sorry, I've got a few things opened up here. And there we go. You'll want to go to your website, clean that up a little bit, which is at Pearson. So the web address is just www.pearsonhighered.com/phstat. So www.pearson. And you can see I've already done that, highered.com. And then /phstat. And you enter, and it should take you there. And what you will have to do is register your product. So you should have an access code, which was packaged with your textbook, and you'll click on register for PHStat. So there's a registration guideline, but the link to register is here. And once you get to that link, you will be asked to put in your code, your access code, which is good, I guess, for a semester or a year. I'm not sure how long, but anyway, you have to purchase it to keep it after that. So anyway, that's how you do that. Once you get that done, you should, and I would strongly recommend that you save this to a disk somewhere. I put my PHStat on my USB drive because I can then take that wherever I'm going. So I actually put it, this version at least, I put in under Management 605, and I think I have a folder that says PHStat4, and it'll load it, so it'll unpack it. You may have to run WinZip to unpack it, but that's okay. Just follow the instructions on the screen, and it will unpack it. And what you'd use to invoke PHStat is this executable file right here. And when you click on this is probably the best way to go into Excel. You click on it, and it actually opens up PHStat as an add-in to Excel. You'll get an error message. Can't seem to figure out why you're getting these, but for as long as I've used PHStat, you have to enable macros. And it also says this. I don't know why it says this these days, but everything seems to be working all right. But anyway, once you get that done, you will see across the top of your Excel screen, PHStat is listed here. This is just an add-in. So to use it, then you actually just pick whatever you're interested in doing. Anyway, that's kind of an update on what you should be doing with PHStat. I will post a second video that explains how to use the descriptive statistics. Thank you.